What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is DS WILLUSTRATOR here in Quarantine Central, which is my home. and I hope everyone's safe right now, and I hope everybody's using this time wisely. This is probably the best time for those who are creative on my channel. This is probably the best time for you to create as much as possible. I mean, you got nothing but time on your hands. You're not going nowhere. You're sitting on the couch. You're not doing anything. Life is going by. I don't know if you guys remember that Everest commercial, but this is pretty much what's going on right now. You know what I'm saying? We're not doing anything. You're sitting on the couch. But I'm trying to use my time wisely right now. There's a convention that's coming up, and I'm hoping that it's still something that's going to happen. Hopefully this whole thing blows over. If it doesn't, it is what it is. It's not going to stop me from creating. I'm going to continue to create. I'm going to continue to work on this comic book. For those who don't know, I am creating a comic book. It's called Kane Courageous, and coincidentally, the story in the book is a pandemic giving people superpowers, basically. So maybe we'll all come out of this enhanced in some way, wishful thinking, really. I know some people are out there scared right now, and some people are worried, but hopefully everything goes in our favor, and we all come out of this, with new creations, new ideas, and a new state of mind, basically. So yeah. If you're looking at watching the video, I am working on a drawing. I did get into the recording kind of late. There were two other drawings I did prior to this one. This is supposed to be Black Lightning, so I'm working on a print with all the electrical characters, black electrical characters, of course, all in one image. So the other character that I drew, the other two that I drew prior to Black Lightning was Static Shock. I like to call him Static because that's how I grew up reading his comic books. It was Static. And the other one was Storm, because Storm may control the weather, but she also has lightning. So I want to throw them all together in one print, basically. And I have a list of other prints that I'm going to work on. And like I said, leave a like, subscribe, and please comment. Right now I have nothing but time. I am not too busy to not see your comments at this point, guys, because I have nothing but time. The kids they may be running around here, but they're either reading, playing games, listening to music, or on the computers or the devices. So they're not really bothering. They're bothering me, but not nearly as much as they would when they come home from school. Because when they come home from school, it's just like everything just kind of just spills out of them because they haven't seen me all day. And, I mean, at this point, I'm surprised they're not sick of daddy and mommy at this point. They're having fun. They're running around. So please comment. If you guys have ideas, I'll be happy to draw them. This channel started from individuals students giving me ideas to draw, and then I post them on YouTube. So if you guys have any ideas, please, by all means, give me ideas. I'll post them on YouTube, and maybe we'll work something out where I give you guys a drawings at the end. Who knows? But yeah, right now I'm working on these prints for this comic book convention that hopefully is still a convention, still on. And yeah, I mean, we all have a lot of time right now to create, and I have a lot of things that I want to work on that hopefully, if I can get some of the prints out of the way, I can jump on. Some of the other things I like to do other than illustrating is I like model kits. I had a lot of model kits before I got married and had kids. It was something that I was really getting into. I like sculpting too. So I like making things out of clay and out of aluminum foil. That's something I used to do as a kid because there was a point in time where I couldn't really afford, the toys that I liked. I'm a 80s kid, so I grew up on Transformers, Voltron, G.I. Joe. So Transformers was was the thing back in the day. And Voltron, anything with robots and science fiction, I was totally in. I love machines, and I love the aesthetic of a lot of the designs. But I couldn't afford them, nor it was out of two things. Either one, I couldn't afford them, or two, once I got them, they just didn't pose the way I like. So I would make them out of foil, so that way I could get full posability out of them, and I could destroy them, I could jack them up. I recreated the Transformers the movie where Optimus Prime was fighting Megatron. Sometimes Optimus Prime would get way more damage than he did and die. But yeah, I like to create a lot of things, so I'm gonna have a lot of time to try and do those things, and maybe I'll record them and post them to the channel, or maybe I'll just do them off to the side where no one can see, and maybe I'll post them. I'll try and share things with you guys as much as possible. For those who are subscribed to the channel, and I see that the subscriber count is building, and thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for giving me the attention. I just want to talk to you guys, make sure everybody's doing okay, and I'll see you guys next time on the channel.